Hello, welcome to this video on how to use Boom cards. Now, if you are a student, you want to click on Fast Play. Fast Play is going to allow you to put in your PIN. So I already have a PIN and I'm going to click on Play. Now, here I have the resource I will be able to play. So, which statement is a fact? I'll click on the correct one. Now, I'm just going to click on anything, right? Even if it's wrong, I'll just click on anything so that you can see. Oops. All right, so as you can see, that was the wrong answer. But if I had clicked on the right answer, then you would be able to go to the next page. And so this is how you use Boom cards if you are a student using the Fast Play PIN option, which you don't even have to sign in when you use Fast Play. You just need to know a PIN number and you are ready to go.